Now, we understand the markets are scary and tricky.
Oh,
When you scare sell, when you look at your phone and you're down like 20% time after time again, and you're saying, like, how am I going to help you? Stay through this video. I want to make it real simple for you because I made a comment to my platform today when I was sharing information about Starbucks. Starbucks was an alert that I gave today, and I got in at $73.50 and I got out at like $74.09. So yes, I made about 17% profit. Now, what happened after? Starbucks went down, Starbucks went up, Starbucks went down, Starbucks went up. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean and why the markets are tricky. So let me just pull up the chart here and we'll go to the 1 day. And you can see right now it's 74.55. So from my alert this morning, which was basically right in here, this is how I picked the alert. Entry point, lowest point of the day for Starbucks. I said on the way down, maybe a little resistance. On the way up, I have tremendous upside. It just happens that Starbucks up here right now. But here's the point of the video. When Starbucks is where it is now or a little under, all of a sudden it went down, almost like it was going back to 73.60 or 58, which is where we purchased the options. So I understand why people think the market's tricky. Oh my God, it just sold off. The market's going to tank. The Fed's speaking on Wednesday. I'm going to drop this video Wednesday morning. Understand the market has the Fed built into it. So I'm pointing out that Starbucks is tricky. But real quick, let's talk about the market for Wednesday, all right? Pre-market video, consider this. The market understands the Fed is raising rates 50 basis points. Now, I spoke to my Discord about this. There's going to be a world food shortage. So I do not expect the Fed to be overly hawkish in their tone going forward because the market is very unstable, as we've seen. So expect people to rely on the words carefully. We already heard companies that are reporting and forecasting out to Q3, and they say they will be in trouble if the supply chains do not improve. It's possible to be short-term bullish on the market and maybe medium-term bearish on the market. Remember, we're here to trade each day on the volatility of the market. Pick entry points like I did with Starbucks, and I'm just going to show it off again because entry was so great this morning. Entry was right here. Now, guess what happened? Even after it went up at 11:30, you could have got in basically the same. Yeah, I think my position was negative like 7% because I bought a few more contracts. So what's happening now? Again, Starbucks just happens to be spiking, so it's playing along with me because it probably likes my videos, which is great because if you like my videos, all you have to do is hit that thumbs up button or tell a friend or make a comment. Okay, let's talk about 3 past videos just real quick. Redbox, right? Redbox, those ugly boxes outside your Publix. If you haven't seen the video, I basically said, okay, I'm getting to the stock at 4.25, should go up to $7.77. That was my exit price. That morning, I was pretty busy with YouTube, so I forgot to put my exit price. I got out at $9.50. I made 129%. This past morning, so I guess it would be what? Tuesday morning, I made a video and I shot it about what? Blue Apron. And I said, there's been demand in Blue Apron. Your entry point, which I made a message about to my Discord, was $3.82. It even went down to $3.80 after I posted that. And then it was up, and it is up. I think it's currently up 17% today. You got to check. You got to watch the videos. You subscribe. That's not a problem. I also made a comment about PayPal. You know, let's bring that one up just so I can see how my market's doing today. And I'll share with everybody. If you're here this long, that means you actually like listening to me, which is a nice thing. It's a positive. All right. So I gave PayPal out at $90 and like, what, right in here after it dumped? No, right in here, $90.40. Here it is. What happened after I gave out the alert? Anybody? You. It dumped even harder. It went down here. Where is it now? Well, it obviously crossed $91, but it's under $91, probably 80 cents, 90 cents. My PayPal options are up when I was down 7%. What did I do? Transparency on Discord. I shared. I'm surprised I'm down 7%. I hate being down 7% because we like to call the bottom. So here are the 2 secrets that I'm going to share with you. Number 1, say you trade and you're constantly down 15 or 18%. Here's what you do. Instead of the next time you're going to buy a PayPal option, Square option, a Meta option, whatever it is, you say to yourself, I was going to pay $500 for this contract. Instead, I'm going to subtract 20% that I'm down. So I'm going to put in my bid at $400. If I get the contract, if I don't get the contract, I'm not worried. As long as I'm not looking at my phone and down 20%. So if you're in that group, please make a comment below. Be like, that is me. I'm going to try your strategy. You have to use or tweak your strategies to whatever works best for you. I was missing the bottom by 12%. So I started looking at contracts at $1 and I said, I'll pay 88 cents. And I would pay 88 cents and they would go down to 85 cents. But then they would spike up above $1. And I knew at 88 cents, I was happy with my entry. Make sure you are happy with your entry. You should not be following anybody aimlessly into any trades. There's always a proper entry point, a proper exit strategy, and a time to get in. If the market's crazy volatile, you don't want to jump in the middle. You want to wait till it settles, you get in the bottom. You want to wait till it spikes and it's showing you resistance at the top. You get in at the top going down. You could play both strategies. Losing my voice. Thanks for staying with me.